In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Thai. This is your English class for grade 1. This is video number 37. Today we will do item number 28, page number 67 of book and page number 40 of workbook. Students, you can see this is your book, active English book. Open your book, page number 67. This is item number 28, direct object. First, I will read this page, then I will explain, and then you will read with me. Okay? Now listen it first carefully. Item number 28, direct object. Number 1. The woman is cooking the dinner. The woman is cooking the dinner. Number 2. The girl is helping her. The girl is helping her. Number 3. She is carrying a plate. She is carrying a plate. Number 4. The boy is switching on the fan. The boy is switching on the fan. Number 5. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. Number 6. The man is listening to the radio. The man is listening to the radio. Number 7. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. Number 8. The little girl is clapping her hands. The little girl is clapping her hands. Okay, students? As you know that in our previous lecture, you have studied about also direct object, and that was also item number 28. This is the second part of the direct object. Okay, in this page, in this item, also you will learn about direct object. Direct object mean you can see in this picture. Okay, here are some pictures and some things you can see here. About these things you will learn here. Okay, in direct object, look at number 1. Look at number 1. The woman is cooking the dinner. Now which one is the direct object? This one you can see. Okay, this one, this picture means dinner. Who is cooking the dinner? The woman is cooking the dinner. You can see this one. This is number 1. Okay, number 2. The girl is helping her. The girl is helping her. Now you can see here in this picture. Now which one is direct object here? This girl. Look here. In her hand there are something like plate. You can see here, and she is helping of this woman. So which one is this? This girl. Okay. The girl is helping her. This girl. Number 2. About this one. Okay. Number 3. She is carrying a plate. She is carrying a plate. Now which one? Same girl. Same girl. She is helping this woman, and also she is carrying a plates. Now which one is the direct object? This girl and plate you can see here. Okay. She is carrying a plate. Number 4. The boy is switching on the fan. The boy is switching on the fan. Now, which one is the direct object? This fan, okay? And which one? This boy. He is switching on here. You can see here switch, and he is switching on the fan. The boy is switching on the fan. Okay. Number 5. He is wearing a blue shirt. Now, which one is the direct object here? This blue shirt. Okay, here is talking about blue shirt. So, this is the direct object. We will focus in this picture on direct objects. Okay. Number 6. The man is listening to the radio. The man is listening to the radio. Now you can see here, this is the man, and man is holding one radio in his hand, and what he is doing, he is listening to the radio. Now which one is the direct object? Radio. Okay, the man is listening to the radio. Number 7. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. Now, which one? You can see here in this picture. This boy, he is blowing up a balloon. Okay. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. Now, which one is the direct object here? This one. Okay. Balloon. Number 8. The little girl is clapping her hands. The little girl is clapping her hands. Now, which one is little girl? You can see here this one. She is clapping. She is clapping her hands. Now, this last sentence is about this girl. Okay. The little girl is clapping her hands. Is it clear? So, this first we will see here in this picture and then make sentence. Okay. And we will focus on the direct object. Okay, students? Now, all of you read with me. Direct object. Direct object. Number 1. The woman is cooking the dinner. The woman is cooking the dinner. Number 2. The girl is helping her. The girl is helping her. Number 3. She is carrying a plate. She is carrying a plate. Number 4. The boy is switching on the fan. The boy is switching on the fan. You can see here this is the fan and here is switch. And who is switching the fan? This boy. Switching on the fan. Number 5. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. Number 6. The man is listening. The man is listening to the radio. Number 7. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. The little boy is blowing up a balloon. Number 8. The little girl is clapping her hands. The little girl is clapping her hands. Okay. Now read aloud. These are dictation words. Okay. And all these words finished with which letter? Y. Okay. At the end of each word you can see Y. First one, you can see this picture and read this word. What is this? Baby. Baby. Okay. B-A-B-Y-B. Baby. This is the baby. Now look at this one. This is shirt, but this is not clean. This is dirty. So what is this? Dirty. Dirty. D-R-D-I-R-T-Y. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Okay. Now look at this picture. You can't see here her or his. I don't know who is this, but his face. And you can see here she is carrying or he is carrying a plate. So what is this? Carry. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Okay. These are dictation words. Learn these words and also their spelling. Okay. Listen again. Baby, dirty, and carry. Okay, students. Now I want to repeat again these words. You can see here. What is this? Baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Learn its spelling. Okay. Number two. Dirty. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Okay. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Baby. Dirty. Carry. Now all of you read with me. Baby, dirty, carry. Baby, dirty, carry. Okay, students. Now we are going to do workbook. This is your workbook. And same item number 28. Also, this is same like your book. About the direct object. You will give answer. First look at these pictures and then give answer and focus on these objects, mean direct objects. Okay. Number one, you can see here. What is this? This is a bus. And what is this? He is a bus driver. Oh, sorry, who is he? He is a bus driver. He is driving a bus. Okay. Now what is question? Question is he painting a picture? Who? This one. Is he painting a picture? No. No, he is not painting a picture. Because we can see here in this picture, and question is about this picture. Is he painting a picture? No, he is not painting a picture. Now, how you will give answer a right answer? Okay, look at this picture and focus on this object. What he is doing? He is driving a bus. He is driving a bus. Okay, students. Now look at number 2. First, look at this picture. She is a girl, and what she is doing? She is smelling a flower. First, look at this one. Now, which one is the direct object? You can see here this flower. Now, question is she make making a cake? Is she making a cake? You can see here. She is making a cake? No. So what you will write here? No, she is not making a cake. No, she is not making a cake. But what she is doing? You will tell here. She is smelling a flower. She is smelling a flower. Okay. Now which one is the direct object? A flower. Number 1, a bus, and number 2, a flower. Okay. Now look at number 3. First, look at this one. What she is doing? She is making something, but what? You can see here, she is making a cake. Now question is she brushing the floor? Is she brushing the floor? You can see here. No, she is not brushing the floor. No, she is not brushing the floor. But what she is doing? You will look here in this picture and then give answer. Which one is the direct object? A cake. So what she is doing? She is making a cake. She is making a cake. Okay, students. Number 4. Look at this picture. What he is doing? He is blowing up a balloon. He is blowing up a balloon. Now, which one is the direct object here? This balloon. Now, question is he listening to the radio? Is he listening to the radio? No. We know that he is not listening to the radio. No, he is not listening to the radio. But what he is doing? We can see in this picture he is blowing up a balloon. So you will write here answer. He is blowing up a balloon. Okay, now which one is the direct object? A balloon. Now look at number 5. What she is doing? She is touching her left ear. Okay. Now question is she touching is she touching her right ear? You can see here. No, she is touching her left ear. So what will we write here? First we will write no, she is not touching her right ear. Then we will see in this picture and then we will write its answer. Now which one is the direct object here? Left ear. So she is touching she is touching her left ear. Okay, students. Now, from this workbook, you can understand about the direct object. Mean first we will ask question, and if there is no right answer, so we will write first no. Okay, first we will give answer in no, and then in third step we will focus on the direct object. Mean we will see first from the picture, and then we will write its right answer. Okay. Now listen again. Number 1. Is he painting a picture? Is he painting a picture? No, he is not painting a picture. He is driving a bus. Number 2. Is she making a cake? No, she is not making a cake. She is smelling a flower. Number 3. Is she brushing the floor? No, she is not brushing the floor. She is making a cake. Number 4. Is he listening to the radio? No, he is not listening to the radio. He is blowing up a balloon. Number 5. Is she touching her right ear? No, she is not touching her right ear. She is touching her left ear. Okay, student? Now, which one are the direct object? You first one, a bus, then a flower, number 3, a cake, number 4, a balloon, and number 5, left ear. Okay, students? Now, I'm going to give you homework. Your homework is read page number 67 two times and do page number 40 in your workbook. Okay, this same page with item number 28 you have to do in your workbook. Okay, students, and I hope inshallah you will understand it and you will write in your workbook. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.